Welcome back to my YouTube page. It's your boy, Chemena. Welcome back to my YouTube page. Well, today, as you all know, we are still talking of the market structure. Well, without wasting much of your time, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube page. If you have not done that, please do that. Like and subscribe on my YouTube page because I am going to be giving a lot of interesting videos on market structure and teaching you how you can know how to trade in no time. Trust me, with a short period of time, you are going to get used to the market and also be like a pro trader. You have to put in the work in. Let me guide you and walk you through the processes. Well, without wasting much of your time, we are going to advanced market structure. Let's head into the app. Let me open my trading view so that I can show you and elaborate more on what I am saying. Well, my name is Trader Chemina. For those who are just get in touch to my page, I am here to guide you on how to trade, how to use the application. My name is Trader Chemina. Well, without wasting much of your time, if you have not watched my previous video, go and watch my previous video where I explain more of this. Because right now, I am going to make this advanced. Remember, I told you we have three types of market structure. That is three types of trend: the uptrend, the uptrend, the uptrend, the downtrend, and the ranging or chopping market, right? So without wasting much of your time, remember what we did here is already in my past video, which is the uptrend, explaining of the uptrend, the downtrend, and the ranging right here. And remember, I said this basic keyword. You have to know this basic keyword, which is the higher high, the higher low, the lower high, the lower low, the high, the low, the liquidity, right? So now, without wasting much of your time, let's get into the advanced. Well, when I say an advanced market structure, what did I mean? It's very, very simple. Trust me, it is very, very simple. Don't get so distracted and complicated. Let me use the chart right in front of us to explain what I mean. You can see I am starting from the uptrend. You can see right here. You can see right here. We have the higher high. I want to add this rectangle. So you see what I am doing. So you see what I am doing, right? You can see what I'm doing, right? Okay? You can see what I'm doing right here, right? Just pay close to what I'm doing. Just pay attention to what I am doing, please. Just pay attention to what I am doing. What I'm doing right now is I am trying to add those key levels. This is the advanced. This is what I'm saying, advanced market structure. So I'm trying to add those key levels, right? I'm trying to add those key levels to the chart, So to make it look understandable. So right here, you can see what I added. I added the rectangle. This is like a break and retest. The push phase, then the breathing phase, the push phase, and the breathing phase. That's the displacement, the retracement, the displacement, the retracement. You can see what I'm doing here. So what happened here? What happened here? I am going to add another term, which is called the breakup structure. Price was breaking structure, going to the up, coming back to retest that zone, shift to the up, coming back to retest that zone. You can see price shifted to the up, retested, came back. It was on the trend. Remember what I said, the trend is your guide. We don't trend just with just the confluence of the trend. It is your guide. So when price pushed again, it came back to retest. It violated this resistance to give us a support, right? It violated the resistance to give us a support right here. Now we have a new resistance right here, right? Now it pushed again, violated this resistance, giving us a support. So we have resistance, right? Support, resistance, a support, a resistance, a support. Look at what price, when price was going up, we have the resistance, the support, the resistance, the support, the resistance, the support, the resistance right here, the support right here, the resistance right here, the support right here. So that was what price was doing. That was what price was doing. Price was taking us from the resistance to the support, right? Price was taking us from the resistance to the support, right? From the resistance to the support. So let's go for the downtrend, and I will explain this in the chart. I believe when I start explaining it in the chart, it will look so understandable. But for now, just try and get the concept, try and get the confluence, what we are doing here. So that when we hop into the chart, it will look so simple. So what price was doing here, price was doing a break of structure. We have this break of structure. This what price was doing. Price was break. We have this break of structure. That's BOS. So remember what I said. Remember what I said, that I want us to master all this. So now we have this right here also. We have that right there now. Price was doing that, which is break of structure. So the BOS is known as break of structure. I've said it. This BOS right here is known as break of structure. So price was breaking structure, going to the down. As price was moving, it was breaking structure. It was breaking structure, going to the down. It was breaking structure, moving to the down, telling us that it wants to go down. It was telling us, I want to go down. I want to go down. You can see, I still want to go down. That is what price was doing. And remember, I told you, we don't just trade with just a trend line. The trend line is a guide. So please note, do not trade just with the confluence of a trend line. The trend line is just a guide. Price was breaking structure. Price was breaking structure. You can see what price was doing. Price was breaking structure in higher high. You can remember we have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. I want you guys to practice this so that you understand what I am saying. You can write this on your notebook. This chart, the way it is, you can write it on your notebook and practice. Just draw the key zones. This rectangle is my key zone. You understand me? So draw the rectangle zones so that you can practice and understand what I am really saying. So the price was breaking structure, moving to the up. Right here, price was breaking the structure, the push phase, the bridging phase. Remember what I said, displacement, retracement, push phase, bridging phase is still the same thing. In the ICT terms, we call it the displacement, the retracement. Right? With smart money, it is known as push phase, bridging phase, push phase, bridging phase, push phase, bridging phase, push phase, and the bridging phase. This I am teaching you guys advanced. That is, I am giving you guys a mentorship concept. You can get this on the YouTube for free. I am giving it to you for free because I know how it is for people to keep blowing accounts without getting the concept. So I don't want us to keep blowing accounts, okay? So say no to blowing of accounts. So this is time for you to make full cash. We all came to this trading market, to this trading chart to make money, not to giving our money to the brokers, not to be giving the brokers free. So please stick to these terms that I am saying. And master, practice this term. Give it a good 3 months. Give it a good 3 months. Practice this for a good 3 months. Don't just say it's not working. Yes, support and resistance or supply and demand is not a strategy that you can say, yes, it's working. You have to practice. You have to give it a good time. You have to consistent show up on the chart again and again, for you to believe, for you to understand, and for you to see these things happening. For you to see them happening in the chart is very hard to spot. but the consistency right there in the chart is going to help you understand what the market is really doing. You understand? It's going to help you understand what the market is really doing. So right here, without wasting much of your time, you see we have the lower high, lower low, 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 right? This is our new lower low. So look at what price was doing. Just look at what price was doing from here and on the downtrend. Look at what price was doing. Price was from when price violated this low, this higher low. This was a higher low price violated, right? Price violated that, and it gave us break of structure, right? When we have this break of structure, we now have this lower low. Price retrace to that block. Price retrace to this block right here. You understand? Or you can call it zone. Okay, you can call it zone. But when in the chart, you can see it might be another block or a mitigation block in the chart. That is what happened here. It might be another block or a mitigation block. So, but right here, let's just call it in a zone or block, okay? Because it's just a trend. So, but when we are in a chart, I can spot those things. I will tell you if it is in an order block or in a mitigation block that price was retesting. Or without confusing yourself, you can still call it a block, order block. You can still call it an order block without saying a breaker block or a mitigation block. Okay. So because those terms, I know it's very hard to master those terms. The order block, the mitigation block is very, and the breaker block is very hard to differentiate the breaker block and the mitigation block. But trust me, it is very simple. But let's just call it in the order block, right? In the order block, right? So price came back to this order block, retest the order block. You can see when price violated this block right here, this liquidity right here, price violated it, came back and retest the block, right? That is this zone, right? Look at, we have the breakout structure, right? Price violated that and came back to retest the breakout structure. Sometimes you won't see it this way. Sometimes you might see it retesting somewhere around here, just a tip somewhere around here, right? You can see it's retesting somewhere around here. So you wait for your entering characteristics. You understand? Wait for entry criteria before you enter. So you have to understand what the market is doing. You just don't jump into the market just like that. No, you have to wait for an entry criteria before you enter into the market. This is what you will be seeing in the higher time frame playing out. So you have to switch. I'm going to walk us through all those processes. So without wasting much of your time, this is what I am showing now. Just calm down, practice what I just give to you. So this is an advanced market structure. Everybody wants to get the fuck out of the metrics, but you don't want to practice. This is something that you have to give it time. You have to practice a lot for you to understand what is really happening. You understand? This is what you have to practice. Sit down, go to your computer or your laptop, you only go to the chart, give this a time. If you're not opportune to have a laptop, you have a smartphone, you landscape your device. Give it the time, practice, so that you can understand what is really happening. Look, you can't learn, let me say, you can't go to college under a note and you graduated. No, it's not possible. You can't go to the university and graduate under a mode. It's not possible. So also you can't learn mechanic, right? You can learn mechanic, that is be a mechanic engineer or an auto engineer just in a month. Then man, what are you saying? You can't do that. You can learn how to sew under a month, like be a tailor under a month. It's not possible. So this is process. You can be a medical doctor under a month. It is a process. So also the chart. The chart is a process. You have to give this a time. You have to give this consistency. I've been trading for a year, right? I'm still finding my profitability. I'm still struggling hard to see that I became a full-time mentor and give people what I know, because I've really seen a lot in the trading market. There is time I don't even have money to buy data. For real, I just keep going on my chart, looking at them without my data on. Because I have the zeal. I can't just quit. I can't just leave this thing happening, and I just have to go back and backtest, just backtesting. I'm just backtesting the chart without any internet connection, because the previous ones that I opened, so it stores in my device. So I just keep backtesting because I was putting in the work, putting in the work. You understand? So that's how it is. That's how it is. You to keep practicing. You have to keep practicing for you to understand what really chart is saying. So without wasting much of your time, okay? Without wasting much of your time, we're just going to delete all this. Remember, for those, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube page, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video so that this video can go viral. Yes, and remember, what I'm teaching on is on market structure and advanced market structure. You can see. So if you have not watched the previous market structure for beginners, please go, is on my YouTube page, on my YouTube channel. Please go there and watch the video, and so that you can get the concept of what I am trying to do right now. I'm going to delete all this. I'm going to delete all this right now so I can explain what I want to do. I'm going to delete all this so that I can explain what I want to do. Okay. And yeah, let me open the charts. Should I use USD? I should use GBP USD, right? Okay. Mm, um, what I want to do is I want to spot what price was doing. I want to spot from my higher time frame. So I need to spot all those movements. Okay. Um, so you can see my chart is very, very clean. You can see I don't have any indicator. I'm not using any indicator, or neither the one they hide here. Is because some people, you see they hide some indicator, you see they'll hide it. You see it like two on the trading view. You can see how my chart is very, very clean. No indicator. I don't trade with indicator because I do not believe in indicator. So we can also do that. This is just pure price action. What we do here is just pure price action. So look at this chart right here. Look at this chart right here. Price is breaking structure to the up. Price was breaking structure to the up. This is an uptrend. I want to spot where this trend started from. Okay? It's like I have gotten it. This is where this trend started from. So I see some people shrinking price like this. Please don't do that. You see, do not do this. It's not proper. It's not proper. Please do not do this. No matter what, do not do it. So I don't want you to shrink your price. You don't even understand what you are doing by shrinking that price. So please do not do that. When you are trading, don't shrink your price. You want to see what is happening. You want to see what the candle is saying. So why are you shrinking your price? Why are you shrinking it that way? No, please do not do that. Okay? You can see how my chart is very, very broad. So let me take this. This is my touch one. And I got this touch two right here, right? I got this touch two right here. So remember I said the trend is your friend. So the trend is your friend. So look, from here, what we'll be saying and teaching this hour. We can say what's there. We got our higher high, right? Then we got what is here. If you know what is here, please, you are free to comment. What is here? Our higher low, right? Right? Then what is here? What is here? Then I think I can do this, right? Our higher high, right? Then our higher low, right? It should be here. Should be here. Then what we have here is our higher low. We have this right here, our higher high. I have this right here, our higher low, right? Right? Then I have this right here, the higher high, right? I got this higher high, right? I got this higher low, right? So, so the same thing applies here, the same thing applies here, right? Is my higher high, is my higher low, is my higher high, is my higher low, right? So this how you want to do and mark the chart in the first place. Look, price was rallying, telling you it is going up. So from here, you want to like, let's, without wasting much of your time, this is what we'll do from here, right? We take this. You can see when price was coming down. Sorry, this was my lower high. This was my lower high. We were in a downtrend. Sorry. We were in a downtrend. This was my lower high. Lower high. This was my lower low. We're in a downtrend before price valid up, right? So we're in a downtrend. It was my lower high. Right? We're in a downtrend. You can see we're in a downtrend before price. I want to explain this very quick, so please, I'm very sorry for that little mistake, right? So I hope we're together. We're together. Please comment on the video. I was not looking at that particular until I draw structure. That's why I told you guys the trade just a guideline. Do not just trade this market just with trend line. I see some people trading this market with just a trade line. No, without just do not just trade this market with just a trade line. You have versatile and you'll be looking the market in just a different way. But you can see I made an error here because when I added my zone, I was able to correct it very quick because I understand that this was a lower high, this was a lower low. Price failed to take this lower low to give us a new lower low and a new higher lower high, right? So look at what price did here. Look at what price did here. Price violated this lower high. Look at how I'm marking this my structure. Look, I want you to look at how I'm marking it. Just look at how I'm marking this structure. I'm taking it from the week, right? So please, so I want you guys to learn what is happening, learn what I am doing. It is very, very simple. That is why I expanded my chart so that we can see my chart very broad, right? That's why I expanded my chart this far so that we can see it very, very broad, right? So look, when price came here, give us this lower low, price rallied up. We have this, right? We have this, right? You can see You can see it was exactly what I'm teaching, right? Exactly what I am just teaching. This is what price was doing. You can see what price is doing. You can see what price was doing, right? You can see what price is doing. You can see what price is doing, right? Will I take this to this side so that we can see what price was doing, exactly what we just explained right now. So you see, so you can even draw this, you can draw it as a confluence so that as a guide, as a confluence, right? You can draw this as a confluence for you to know what price was doing, right? We have a higher high here. We have a higher high here. Did you see that? We have a higher high here. We have a higher high here. All right, we have this higher high here. We have this higher high here. So you've seen it. So this is what price was doing. Price was rallying after this quick shift in market structure. What happened here is shift in market structure. When price valued the old lower high, when price take the old lower high, this is telling us that we are no longer in a downtrend. Look at what price was doing when it was coming. When price came all this way, look at what happened here. Price reacted on this zone. But yes, we are done with this. I should take it up, right? I should take that up. So look at what price did here. When price was coming, look at what price did when price was coming. Price rallied with momentum. Price rallied with momentum, right? It rallied with momentum, telling you that it wants to go down, right? So once it came down, look at what price was doing. Price was trying to come back and it was trying to retest this zone with some dojin. This is a dojin, right? We have this dojin, this this 4-star dojin, right? We have this dojin right here. We have this dojin right here. Before this push up, you can see the momentum has changed. The market changed because price failed to close below this dojin. Price failed to close below this dojin. You can see this dojin. Price did not close below it. Okay, I guess I should put the cross sign so that you can see what I'm saying. Look, price did not close below this doji for you to confirm that the confluence of you going down is here. Price did not close. No candle closing below this doji for we to have that confluence of our sell. So look at what you just have to be patient. You can't just see price because it came back here to this zone. Yes, we have taken this lower low out, right? We have taken that lower low out. So let me start selling from this zone and you trigger your sell. You just take your trigger of your sell and you trigger your sell. You have to start selling. Man, look, you are out of the market. That is not how it's been done. You have to wait. You have to be patient. You have to be patient to see what price is really doing, what price wants to do, what price is really doing for you to anticipate the market, all right? So at this point in time, you have to be patient and see what is happening because you did not see price giving you a confluence. What price did was price rallied up and taking this lower high. Price took this lower high and also took the former lower high. I can see price taking this two lower high. You can see price took the first lower high, giving us shift in market structure and also a break of structure. That is BOS and MSS, right? Okay, let me mark that. Let me mark that so that you don't get confused on the long run, right? You can see price took that and took price took this, right? You can see what price did, giving us a break of structure, giving us a break of structure, right? Price giving us a break of structure. So we got this break of structure. We got this break of structure right there, and right, I believe it's okay. Then what do we have here? Shift in market structure, which is shift in market structure, right? So we got this shift in market structure, right? We got this shift in market structure. Let me take it to the left. Should I just delete it and cancel that and use the normal tag? Yeah, we got this shift in market structure. Yes, I believe I love this one. So look at what price did. When we have this shift in market structure right here, look, from this zone, we have this shift in market structure. Then price still shoot up. From this zone, we have this other block. Price broke this block right here. Price broke this block right here, giving us this dojin, candle. So I'm not much in entrance right now. So I just want to explain and elaborate more, right? So what happened is price rallied up also and break this lower high, telling you that, man, I want to go up. I'm ready to go up. So what you do is wait for the retracement. You can see price coming back to retest that other block. Remember I told you when I was explaining with this Kuso, remember what I said, that the price will come back and retest the block, right? There is a magnet, is just like a magnet. Those other blocks is just like a magnet. That price will draw to come back to it for it to shoot up, right? Remember I said that price will come back to that other block before it can rally up. So what price did was price shoot back and tested this other block. Remember, this other block was what price came back to test. And remember, this other block was responsible for this break of structure. This other block was responsible for this BOS right here. We have the shift in market structure, which this other block here is responsible, and this dojin, in a couple of dojin, if we should shift into a lower time frame, you will see it's a couple of other block and noise, right? So price did not come to this zone, but you got your confluence and you wait. If you take your fib tool, you see price, what price was doing. So you have to be patient to see enough what really is happening. So what happened is that price came back to this other block. You see this other block, price came back to this other block, tapped into this other block. You want to see a sudden shift in market structure, then price give you what you want to see from here. You can even enter long, you put in your long from here, right? I want to enter long, my stop loss should be below that, outside my trend line, because remember the trend is just a guide and you aim a nice 1:2.5, right? So, but I'm not teaching about entry. I just want to let us elaborate more on how to trade. So please do not just go and start trading without understanding the concept, right? I want us to understand this concept that I am teaching. So I am not teaching about entry right now. So what happened that price took this other one here? You can see that, right? Price took this other one right here. We got this higher high. Price violated the higher high and came back to retest. So let's keep going. Price came here. Price took this, right? So look at what happened here. Let me use the crosser. Look at what happened here. Price did not take this zone. Price did not take this lower high. Had price took this lower high, we would have said that this market is now in a downtrend. But look at what happened. Price came back and touched the trend. Remember, I told you the trend is just a guideline. So when we were looking for price to keep shooting up from this our zone, price came back to retest on the trend line, and this is an order block. This is where price came to retest. Look, it never took this, never took it. You can see my cross sign, you can see I'm tapping it, you can see there is a clear space there. I even shifted it to the green. You can see the wick, the red wick is outside. What I am even using is the green wick. but still price did not violated it. It never come close to it. It's just with a few pips. You can see that with a few pips. So right, what happened here is this other block. Price came back to this other block to mitigate it before keep shooting, giving us this new higher low, right? Giving us that new higher low. Let me take the. So what happened again? We have this our new higher high. We have our new higher high right there, right? You can see the new higher high on this dojin candle. You see the new higher high right there on this dojin candle, right? So we got that higher high on that dojin candle, right? So look at what happened here. Look at what happened here. This was what happened here. This was our higher high. This was our lower high. Sorry, this is a higher high, and look at what price did. Price rally after taking this our previous higher high, right? After taking this previous higher high, price rally came back to retest this our zone, this our higher high, this other block. This was what price did. Price tapped in from there. Price tapped in. You can see price tapped in, retesting this higher high. That is all this zone. You can see it. All this zone. All this zone was. I want to make it clear to you. You can see the full body of this dojin candle. It is what I mark. The full body of that dojin candle is what I mark. So you can see price came back and test into it. It retests into it. Then we have this strong shift up because this was our II and this was the lower low. Price is far from taking this. So you can't just use this confluence. This is a low. This is a low. So you can't just use this subordinate because price took this one and start saying price wants to start selling. No, no, no. This is the measure. If you shift into a line chart, you will see what I'm saying. Can you see this? Can you see it? It is very, very clear. It is very, very clear. So I don't want to use a line chart, but if you want me to explain more and teach you how to use that line chart that I just showed you right now, comment on the video. I am going to do that for you guys. So what happened is we violated it. We came down from here. After coming down, we give us a new II. Have a new II from this our pin dojin candle, marking it, taking it all the way. I mark it, took it all the way, right? From here. So we got this our new higher low. We got our II right here. So if you like keep adding it, I guess you understand the concept, right? I guess you understand the concept. So I guess you understand the concept, right? Okay. So look at what happened here. Look at what happened here. We have this price rally up again. Price rally up again and broke this higher high, giving us a new higher high. Give us a new higher high, right? And we have this our lower low right here. We got this our lower high, our higher high, because for now, you know, this an higher high before any structure or movement. Look at what happened again, price range. Remember, I've thought about the ranging. So you want to take your tangle and mark all this range to see from here to here. You want to mark it to see what price was really doing. Price was really doing. Okay, this is a range. This is a range, right? If you go down to the lower time frame, you see this is a big range, but right here in the 4 hours, it looks very small. Trust me, if we should go to the 15 minute or the 1 hour, this is a big movement. This is a big movement. This is a range. This is how the range market looks like on the 4 hours. Sometimes you can also see it very massive on the 4 hours. Okay, so this is a range. So from here, look at what happened from here. We have all this range moving, and look, price never took this our lower high. Price never took this our lower high. Price also never took this our lower high. Look, had it been when before this price started ranging, it took this our lower high. There is confluence that price is shifting to the downside because we have took this our lower high. But price never took this our lower high. So from here, you might want to mark this zone so that your eye will be looking at it. You mark it very tiny. You mark it very tiny. You understand? You mark it very tiny so that your eye will be looking at it and see what price was doing. Look at what price was doing. Price never took this zone. Price just rallied, and keep shooting, giving us a new higher high. Remember what I say? Price keep shooting and giving us a new higher high, right? Price keep shooting, giving us a new higher high. From here, we now have this our higher low. This our higher low. Price give us a new higher low right here. This is our higher low right here. So we got two higher low. Let me copy this, right? So I have this. Let me take the because I believe I'm okay with, yeah, get I get using the arrow. Okay, yeah, this is it, and this is, yeah, that's it. So price came back here. Price came here. Look what price did here. Price came here. Price came here and took this and took this. Okay. So when price was on this our higher low, sorry, price rallied, and before taking this our higher high, look at what it did. It came in this zone where some traders told you that this is resistance. They want to sell from this that is resistant. No, 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 no. They can't do that. They can't do that. These are not trend. These are an uptrend. Please cut those retail mindsets. I want you to understand something here. Cut those retail mindsets. This is what price is doing. This is what you are going to be seeing. This is why you lose your money, because you assume that okay, from here now price wants to go down because it's on a resistance. Who told you that? Who told you that? This is what price is doing from below. After this ranging, look, this ranging was in the higher high was here, the lower low was here. Remember, we got another lower low here. Price failed to take this lower low, testing this other block, and shooted, violated this high, violated this high. In the lower time frame, if you go to the lower time frame, you see that this is high. Price have violated this high right here. Price have violated this high. So who told you that price wants to go down? Price have violated this high with this, with weak. It did the damage with this candle. Should I zoom it so that you see that the damage really happened with this engulfing candle right here? The damage happened with this engulfing candle. I guess I should zoom this so that you can see it. Look, the candle is there, the body is outside. Price rallied, but it still came back. It still came back and rallied with this. Maybe you see this, you don't want to use it as a confidence. Okay, this two candle is here. As I'm telling you, it's telling you that I don't want to go down. It has taken this, giving you this confidence. What you have to do is just you either wait for price to come back, you understand, come back, retest, testing, sweeping all this liquidity, you enter, you understand. But what is happening is that look at this higher low is not yet violated. As this higher low is not violated, please do not think of selling. Do not think of selling. Do not catch a falling knife. Yeah, do not catch a falling knife. No matter what, I don't want you to catch a falling knife on this trade, because price is not willing to sell. So why do you want to sell? Price is not telling you I want to sell. So why do you want to now sell? Because price is not telling you I want to sell. So please, I see traders doing that. They want to sell when price is not telling them is willing to sell. So please, 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 I don't want you to do that or fall a victim of that. Well, as you all know, my name is Trader Chemina. If you have not liked or subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do that. Please, it won't cost you anything. Please, I beg of you, like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. If you love content like this, go to my YouTube page channel. You have a lot, I have a lot of content of this level. Understand? If you have not watched the where I explain using the lines, please go on my chat. They are there. This is a full mentorship that I am conducting for free. Trust me, I am conducting for free. You are going to understand and know how to trade like a pro in 3 months. This I promise you, just do this in time. In 3 months, you are going to understand how this market operates, right? So what we have here now, look what I have here. Look what I have here. Price came back to this high. Look, when price broke this our high, price came back to the test in this our other block right here. We have this other block right here. Price came back to the test on that other block and nicely sweep out this high. Nicely sweep out this high. Let me use the trend and you can see that price nicely sweep out that high. Okay, let me also use the trend and mark out something here so that we see something. Okay, okay, okay. I guess I don't need this. Right. Okay, you can see what happened. Price took it from this zone. You can see price sweep it from this zone, telling me I want to go up, bro. I want to go up, but this is a consolidating market. This is a ranging or choppy market. So what you have to do, just be patient. You know this is a market telling you I want to go up. You just have to be patient to let it play, let it do its will. Idea. This is our new higher low, right? So what we do have here, do we have here? Price broke, price broke it, price broke it. You can say it is equal. It's not equal, please. It is not equal. We have that price broke it. We have it. You can see it. Price broke it. This high right there is higher than this high. So this is our new higher high, right? So please don't say it is an equal high. No. Look at what happened right here now. Look at what happened here. Price sweep to the down, right? Price sweep to the down. Price sweep to the down, telling you I want to go down. This is it, very clear. We got this break here. We got this shift in market structure. We got this shift in market structure. You can see it. We have this shift in market structure right here. We got the shift in market structure right here. We got the shift in market structure right there. It is there. It is very, very clear. We have this. We have this. We have this very, very clear shift in market structure. We have the shift in market structure. We have this break of structure. We have this break of structure right here. You can see this break of structure right here. From this, we got this break of structure right here. Momentum is telling you I am ready to go down. From this, you can see price is telling you I am ready to go down. So look at what price was doing now. Price is breaking structure to downside, coming back to retest. So price came back to retest. You can see price came back to retest. When you draw your trend line to see, remember the trend is just a guide. So what we have here, let's keep using the structure. Let's keep using the structure and map out what we have here. Um, okay. I believe this video is taking much of our time. I don't want this video to be long, but I just have to explain all this. I just have to explain all this so that no one straight anymore. Look, price now is telling you I want to go down from here. You can see what happened. What happened? Price broke structure again, came back to the test, broke structure, came back to the test, broke structure, came back to the test, broke structure, came back to the test, broke this structure. Look at what price did here. Price did here. This was our lower high. This is my lower high. Price broke this lower high, came back to the test and shoot up, taking all this lower high. So what do you expect? Price should start going up, right? Look at what price start doing. Price change momentum to the upside. You see, price change momentum to the upside. So let me quickly mark all this so that I add them listed or makeup. Should I call it makeup? I should add those makeup, right? So this video is taking much of the time. So what we have here now is our lower high. We have this right here. Then we got our lower low. We got our lower low, right? Look at what happened, right? From here now, we can see price clearly. You can see price clearly giving us this new lower low, giving us this new higher lower high, right? Giving us this new, lower low. Um, Giving us this new lower low. Okay. Um, I guess we have okay. Price did not take this one. So this is it. This is it. You can mark this. Price did not take it. It's just a low. So look at what happened. Look at what happened. Let me use the trend. Let me use the trend line. Sorry for that. Yeah, I got it right. I got it right. So simple. So simple, guys. This is very, very simple. If you understand what is happening, this is very, very simple. This is very, very simple. Just trust the movement. This is very, very simple. Look, price has broken this our lower high, telling you that I want to go up, right? But you can start entering the market from this low. You have to look. Now, this is now, as price broke this, this is now our higher low. This is now my higher low. This right here now is my higher low. This guy here now is my higher low. This guy here now is my higher low. I want you to mark it higher low. This guy here now is my higher low. This guy here now is my higher low, right? Then I got my higher high. This guy here now is my higher high. Okay? This guy here now is my higher high. You have to wait. You wait. You wait for price to come back. Wait for price to come back. You see what happened? We have this fair value gap right here. I'm not teaching fair value gap now, but I'll come to that. I'll come to that. I'm not teaching fair value gap today, but I'm going to come to that. I'm going to come to that. Look what happened. Look what happened. Just look what happened. Look what happened. I'm not teaching fair value gap today, but I am going to come to that. I'm going to come to that. Okay. I have a lot to teach you. I have a lot. So look at what happened right here. Look at what happened right here. Price came back to this fair value gap to fill that fair value gap before shooting up. Price came to fill this fair value gap. You can see this is very small. Let me go to the 2 hours and see if we can see that zone very quickly. Let me go to the 2 hours. We're in the 2 hours. I just pray we spot that zone so quick. I just pray we spot that zone. I'm not even seeing those ones that we did the makeup, blue, blah, blah. Then, then. Allow me to squeeze price. Allow me to squeeze price. Allow me to squeeze price so that we can spot that so quick. You can see how this looks so interesting right here. You can see, guys. Look, just look at what we are doing. Just look at what we are doing in the 2 hours. This is my 2 hours. Look at what we have been doing. Look at what we have been doing. We have been marking this very, very neat and nice. Look at how we started. Look at price was giving us this clear move, giving us this clear move. We have this break of this shift to market structure and this break of structure, right? Look at what price came back. It retests. You can see it's on the trend. It's on the trend. Remember, the trend is just a guide. Look at what happened. Price sweep all this. We have some little highs, but it's not our concern. Price came back to this other block, which is the higher low. Price broke structure. You can see this is what we want to see. Look at what is happening. Look at how neat it is. Let me remember I asked you guys so that I can squeeze price. Well, I don't like squeezing price. I told you guys, please do not squeeze your price, no matter what. I don't want you to squeeze your price. Look at what happened here. Look at what happened here. Look at this long candle. But remember, in the 4 hours, it's just a week. It's just a week. Price, I've already tell you that I want to go up. Price came back. Price came back to fill all this fair value gap. You can see. Price came to fill that fair value gap. You can see we have this other block right here. So that was what price was looking at. So you can place an order from this other block, right? Place an order from that other block once you see it reacting there, right? But I'm not teaching entries. I'm not teaching entries. I'm just telling you how it is. So this a higher high, this a lower low, this a higher, this a higher low, this a higher, this a higher low. Look at what happened. Look at what happened. I want to show you a pattern. I want to show you a pattern here. I want to show you a pattern here. I want to show you a pattern here. For those that study baby pips, if you see this, you know what it is. If you see this, you know what it is. Right? Right? So study baby pips very well. You know what is this. You study baby pips very well. You can see price is in a flag, a falling wedge, right? So before price broke it and was going up, right? So for those that study baby pips, yeah, I know, you know what is this. So this is how you will see price. This is what you will see in the market. So it is very, very simple. Look, when price violated this our higher low, look at what happened. We got this higher low violated. So what happened? Price came back, giving us some momentum candle, some dodging pimping candles. See these dodges, we have a lot of dodging, right? Then price violated. You don't want to enter, you don't want to enter. You have to be patient to see what price wants to do. Price broke and retest. This is what happened right here. I can explain much right there, but I know what happened. I really know what happened here. I really see, look, I can see the break. I can see the break of those doji. I can see the break that price wants to go down. If you doubt, let me show you. Let me show you what happened here. Let me show you from those doji, from those doji, you can see from those doji, I want to show you what really happened. You can see it, you can see price broke it, price broke, splash below those doji. You can see price splash below those doji. The candle body itself is not just a candle wick, it's a candle body. Let me zoom to your eyes so that you can see it, right? You see, price splash, but I'm not teaching entry. So please don't let me violate what I'm doing, right? This video is going to be long. Trust me, this video is going to be long. But I want us to understand the concept that I am dropping right here, because I explain both for the uptrend and for the downtrend together in the chart, right? That is what I am doing. If you have not watched my previous video, please go and watch them. And if you love content like this, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I will be dropping, and comment what exactly you want me to do. Both on ICT and smart money, I am going to be dropping full load of my experience in the market. Okay, so this is what happened here. This is what happened here. We got this. Oh, I don't know. Okay, we got this. Our lower high, our lower low, our lower high, our lower low, right? It's telling you that I want to go down. Our lower low, our lower high, our lower low, our lower high, right? Then this is our low, right? Our low, right? You have to be patient. Maybe here you can see, let's prepare. This came and it's range. You can see this is a range. This is a range, price range, this price range. So I don't want to use any of this as a confluence until I see this my lower high get broken. Then we have the shift in market structure, that is change of character or change of character. Yes, I just remember. Just remember it is called choke. It's called choke. The smart man. It's called choke. Yeah, it is called choke in smart money. But ICT traders, they are, what we call it. That is the shift in market structure. In smart money, you can see we call it choke. So that is change of character. Change of character is known as choke. While ICT, we call it shift in market structure. So please don't complicate yourself. This is very, very simple. Very, very simple. Just put in the time and the working. So what happened here is that price came to fill this liquidity, because after this break, you can see that other block. And remember, what I showed you here is a fair value gap in the 4 hours. So right here is another block. Right here is another block. So price came back to this other block. We have this liquidity right here. So price actually swept that liquidity and give us our nice entry setup, right? Give us a nice entry setup. I've seen a nice entry setup right there. And price keep shooting. Look, we start shooting to the upside. You can see. You can see. So if you love content like this, please help me to explain more. If you are finding difficulty in this, please comment on the video. Thank you. See you guys on my next YouTube video next week. My name is Trader Chairman. I will be dropping nice content on how to trade right here for you guys. Trust me and trust the process. Together we are going to win. No more, no more. If you are finding difficulty or the chart is confusing, trust me, you are going to be a winner, and you are going to stand on the winner side. I also trade the synthetic market, the derivative. Yes, I trade the synthetic market, currency pair, and crypto with stock. That is USDT and NAS 100. So please like and comment. Please give me questions on what I just explained. I am going to end the video, and please, I want you guys to stay tuned. Remember, stay tuned and practice. Stay tuned and practice. Please stay tuned and practice. Yes, I want you guys to stay tuned and practice. It's very, very simple when you practice all these concepts that I am showing you guys. It's very, very simple when you practice all these concepts I am showing you guys. Without wasting much of the time, my name is Trevor Sherman, and you can see it right on your screen, right there. You can see my name. I am Trevor Sherman. You can follow me on any media you need. Thank you very much. See you guys next week. Bye.